Pollution rules our oceans with over 200 billion pounds of it in our oceans right now, and 1 million marine animals die a year from marine pollution. What is pollution exactly? Let me explain. Pollution is harmful materials that are part of our environment. Marine pollution is mainly caused by trash or chemicals washed or blown into our oceans. Hi, I'm Kelsey, and I'm here with Ben from the Surfrider Foundation. I'm going to be asking you some questions. How long have you been doing trash cleanups?
I've been holding beach cleanups here as a volunteer for about 5 years, but Surfrider has been doing beach cleanups since the mid-'80s.
What's the most common pollutant that you guys clean up?
The most common thing we find at the beach cleanups are cigarette butts, probably followed by small pieces of plastic or styrofoam.
What's the best way to reduce pollution?
Well, if we're talking about beach cleanups, probably the single easiest thing to do is to reduce single-use plastic, like water bottles, things like that, because those always end up on the beach.
How often does your company do these beach cleanups?
We typically do beach cleanups at the beach once a month, but we have cleanups up and down the county, all the way from Oceanside, all the way down to Ocean Beach and Pacific Beach. So Surfrider's typically at the beach every weekend.
What's the worst trash that goes into the ocean?
Oh gosh, well there's no good trash that goes into the ocean. I would have to say styrofoam and styrofoam cups are probably the worst because they break down into those tiny little pieces and they're almost impossible to clean up. Yeah.
Can you tell me a little more about your guys' organization?
Sure. Surfrider is a non-profit, and so the majority of us are volunteers, and we are most known for beach cleanups like this, but we also have other committees on beach preservation, reducing plastic, climate change, and we welcome volunteers to help us out.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
First, avoid single-use plastic grocery bags and use reusable ones. Next, it takes plastic straws 200 years to decompose in ocean, so I would recommend metal straws. Did you know it takes plastic water bottles 450 years to decompose? Maybe try a metal water bottle. Lastly, please don't use plastic Ziploc bags. If you don't use one, you'll save an animal.